Hey, fashion enthusiast. Fashion isn't just about what you wear, it's a statement of who you are. Personal style is a journey of self-expression, a reflection of individuality, and it's no longer confined by rigid rules. But just like the earth itself, our style has layers, history, and evolves with time. Think about it. The way we shape our style is much like the geological processes that shape our planet. Over millions of years, the Earth is constantly evolving. Rocks weather and erode, creating new forms and features. Similarly, our style is shaped by experiences, environments, and influences continuously evolving over time. Just as geological formations start with foundational elements, our personal style begins with the basics. It's the weathering of experiences, the shifting of trends, and the interaction with different cultures that truly shape our unique identity. Whether it's the influence of social media, the culture we're immersed in, or even the weather we live in, these elements leave their mark. Certainly, like sedimentary layers forming through pressure and time, personal style is a collection of influences, often unexpected, a mix of past experiences, the environment, and our own exploration. These influences build upon each other, creating a layered, complex identity. But just as nature's elements can cause a shift, an eruption, a new discovery, our style can change too. Sometimes it's a shift in perspective, a bold decision to try something new, or a return to something familiar. The point is, fashion and personal style don't have to be static. If you're feeling stuck or unsure about your style, remember, geology teaches us that even the hardest rocks can be reshaped with enough time and pressure. The key is to embrace the journey. Experiment with new pieces, mix and match, and allow yourself to evolve. Much like the earth, we are ever changing. And that's the beauty of personal style. It's not about being perfect, it's about self-expression and embracing who you are in that moment. So let your style evolve, reflect, and tell your own unique story. Just like the Earth's layers, your personal style is a work of art, created over time, shaped by your experiences and always growing. Explore it, embrace it, and above all, let it be uniquely yours. Thanks for watching. Remember, fashion is geology. It's a lifelong exploration.